Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mr. Legend here. What's up, you? What's up? Welcome back to a new game or the most played game now, Majus, the Among Us. This is the game. This is a mobile version, and yeah, let's play. Apparently I will play it like I will not chat or I will not talk to my players. Let's see the reactions, and yeah, let's play. Okay, let's bring it, guys. Lara was kicked by Y. Private. Wait, what? Come on, gang. There is one imposter among us. Who is it? Okay. Download that bitch. Navigation. What? Let's see the reactions if I am not gonna talk. Hello. Angie. Anjing? Mainya Gimaisi. Brown. Question mark. Blue. Wait, what? They're not even. They don't even know how to speak English. I bought brown because I don't know. I just got a suspicion, Majus. Brown. I'm not gonna chat anyone or speak to anyone because this is a public game. Black. Already voted for brown though. Come on, man. Just get on with it, man. Brown picks black. Chepeshi. Meow. Awoo. Green, brown, blue. Wubu left the game. Now, this ain't fun anymore. This ain't fun. No one was ejected. Tie. One imposter remains. Download that, man. Oh, wait. It was brown. Damn you. Someone's talking. Wait, what? Fuck yeah. I'm pink. Orange. Hell yeah. No one's sharing, okay. Please let me be the imposter. I really want to play the imposter. I want to kill someone, you know? Let's go to admin. Admin time. Very nice. Let's watch them for a segment. Just let's see what happens if pink or some. No. Let's move. DY Gaming. Electricity. Deep inside. Why is Red following me? What's your problem, bro? Fill that tank. Fill that tank. Hell yeah. Wait, what? Let's not talk. Let's just let them wonder who is this. Because I don't even know who is it, Majus. I'm color orange, by the way. I'm new at this game. Ooh. Man, I'll just skip it. I didn't even see who he is, and no one is telling who it is, so yeah. Let's just skip it for this time, Majus. I've been playing this yesterday and I really like it, Majus. Oh, yesterday, last week. Sorry. As you can see, I am playing on my mobile phone because I don't have a gaming PC or laptop. That's why. It's really comfortable in on playing cell phone, you know. You should try, Majus. No one rejected. Skip. Let's go to the navigation room. Bro, I'm coming with you. I'm going with you, bro. Oh no. I need to do this first. Hell yeah. Now navigation. Very nice. Very fucking douche. Hell yeah. Come on, Bamanish. Everybody, let's go. Come on, Orange Legend. I know that we can do it. Wait, what's that? Wait, what? Shit. Let's see Brown if he kills Green. Kill. I know it's you. You son of a bitch. Oh, bro is here. Bro. Love. Okay. Let's go. Peel that, peel that, peel that, peel that up. Hell yeah. Am I done with my test? Yup. And I only need to fill this tank up and I'm good. We're good, Majus. Let's go back to the cafeteria or find out who is the imposter. Shit. I don't know, man. Love left the game. Why? I don't have it. I don't have any tasks to do. Come on, bro. This ain't fun. If people are just leaving the game, this ain't fun anymore. Even my part. Because I'm not speaking anymore, I just... Hello, yellow. Black. A brown, rather. La Roge. La Rogio. I hope I get your name right, bro. Vent. Vent. I'm the imposter. We will rock you. We will rock you. We will rock you. This is kind of boring. This is really boring. How can we win if no one's doing their tasks? Or no one's finding any bodies? Or skilling, the police are skilling us or something. Oh shit. Wait, what? Who closed the door? Who did it? Let's... Damn, I can be at CCTV. Someone locked the door behind me and then killed Green. Okay. Bro was the imposter. Fuck yeah! Come on. Come on, peeps. Start. Up 10. Please let me be the imposter. No. Why can't I be the imposter of the game? Why I don't like to be a crew member? Because I like to kill. What? I can't be Sans anymore. Wait, what? Why is Green. Dead. No, no. Wait, what? I was at the lower engine, I think. Okay, pink. GG, boys. Bye bye, pink. Wait, what? You little prick. Who are you? I was in the reactor. Okay. Let's go to reactor to react to some videos. Let's react to some let's react to beep 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 beep. Very nice. Very nice. Fuck yeah. Oi. I saw Violet near the corpse. Reported it. Violet. Damn, don't act honest, bruh. I saw you, bruh. You were there. You little shit. Bro! What? Fucking. You piece of shit liar, but. Too fast, sorry. Okay, let's go. Let's go to O2 and then navigation. I don't trust Violet anymore. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Navigation. Come on, man. I don't see Violet or any dead bodies. Storage. Medicine, no? Where are you, Violet? Violet, Violet. Tang ina mo talaga, putang ina mo. God damn. Oh shit. It's an admin. Cause I was busy doing tasks, bruh. I'm voting Violet. I'm voting Violet. Stop acting, bro. Wait, what? Let's find out. Let's find out. Find out. Bruh. I also think it's white because black was not suspicious at all. Please, I don't know. Please let me be right. I just wanna win this game. Let's find out. There's only 3 of us. If you vote, me, you will lose. I'm not the imposter. Where's your proof? Fuck yeah, I was right. We were right. Nice black. Good. Good job, bro. Good job, bro. GG. Let's start again. I'm not the imposter, no. I wanna be an imposter so bad. I wanna be the very best that no one ever fails. To catch it is my real test. To capture is my card. Pokemon. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I saw Violet and no one's here. Ooh. Where? Ungu? Indonesian? Who? Who? I don't know, bro. I'm guilty killer, not guilty killer. Who killed? Skip. Violet, not guilty. Not guilty was not the imposter. Fuck. Come on, bro, no. Oh, shit. Sorry about that. Nice. Cafeteria. It's my job to be a good boy, to be the very best, that no one ever fails. To capture is my real test. To capture is my card. Pokemon. Communication. Okay. Let's go there. Communication is the best thing you could do. Oh, trash. Let's do trash. Nice. Task complete. I'm gonna go to weapons. Weapons is my very lonely place. Weapons. Oh, sorry. Yes. Shit. I wanna fire the rocket. Why am I the one supposed to download these files? Weapons, my files. Very nice. Admin. Let's download that bitch. Download that shit up. Download it up. Download it up. Download it up. Download it up. Hell yeah. Ooh. Just in the heck of time. What? What the fuck? What happened? Oh. Happened. I see dead body. I'm not getting left the game. Why? You scared, bro? Bro. I didn't see anything. I think red. I'll go with red. Bye bye, red. Fuck! Hell yeah! I'm good. I'm good at this. Hell yeah. Well, I guess I'll leave this episode here, Majus. That was really fun. I won straight games. I think 3 games, 4. And I can't remember. What the fuck? What's wrong with me? Why can't I remember things? But yeah, that's Among Us, Majus. Leave me a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe. It's free. Be part of the new Joe Army now, Majus. You will not regret it. And as always, I will see you on the next video. Peace.